The Russian Defense Ministry reported that its troops destroyed 7 out of 9 targeted enemy aircraft in a single day. This included a precision strike on the Mirgorod airfield in the Poltava region, which resulted in 7 Su-27 aircraft being hit. 5 of these were destroyed, and 2 were damaged. Mirgorod Air Base is located 100 miles from Ukraine's northern border with Russia. Additionally, Russian air defense systems shot down a MiG-29 and a Su-27 fighter.
Additionally, Russian air defense systems shot down a MiG-29 and a Su-27 fighter. The Su-27s and MiG-29s had been modified to carry Western missiles like the Storm Shadow and HIMARS. Ukraine's Air Force started the war in February 2022 with around 125 jets, including Su-27s, Su-25s, and MiG-29s. After 28 months of fighting, they've lost about 90 jets, according to Oryx analysts. The Russian Defense Ministry also reported destroying a Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drone, 81 other Ukrainian UAVs, 6 British-made Storm Shadow cruise missiles, a French-made HIMARS aerial bomb, and a US-supplied HIMARS MLRS rocket.